afternoon. Papunta na kaming market. We're going to the market so I can buy some vegetables. Papunta tayo ng Dao Market.
Panuga para sa kanan, kalipay sa kanan.
I wanted to turn it off. Ayan. So ayan, dito na tayo guys sa Dao Market. Medyo marami. Ay, saan tayo magpa-park? What about there? Ay, it's a loading. Okay. Here na lang. Oh, look at that. Ang daming dyan. So where's the... I cannot take the video there because... Okay. So ayan guys. Bibili na ako ng dyan. Broom. Later on.